When selecting a display, most people focus on resolution, brightness, and color performance. But another important factor that directly affects user experience is viewing angle. So, what is viewing angle? Viewing angle refers to the maximum angle from which a display can be viewed while maintaining acceptable image quality, brightness, and color accuracy. In simple words, it describes how well the display performs when the viewer is not directly in front of the screen. A display with a wide viewing angle can maintain clear images even when viewed from different positions. A display with a narrow viewing angle may show color shifting, brightness reduction, or contrast loss when viewed from the side. Why does viewing angle matter? In many applications, users are not always looking at the display straight on. For example, automotive displays, industrial control panels, medical equipment, public information displays, and smart home devices. In these applications, a wider viewing angle improves readability and user experience. What causes viewing angle differ NCES? The main reason comes from the structure of the display technology. Different display technologies have different viewing angle performance. Let's look at the most common types. TN display AYTN or 2STDNAM ATIC display technology is one of the oldest LCD technologies. Its advantages are fast T response time, low cost, and simple manufacturing. However, Tennessee displays usually have limited viewing angles. When viewed from different directions, colors and brightness can change significantly. Therefore, Tennessee displays are mainly used in cost-sensitive applications. IPS display IPS or in PLA NISWI technology was developed to improve viewing angle performance. The liquid crystal molecules move horizontally within the panel, allowing light transmission to remain more consistent. The advantages of IPS include wide viewing angle, better color accuracy, and stable image quality. Back all of these advantages, IPS displays are widely used in industrial displays, medical equipment, professional monitors, and high-end devices. VA display AYVA or vertical GNM technology provides excellent contrast performance. It can achieve deeper blacks compared with traditional LCD technologies. However, Virginia displays may experience some color and brightness changes at wider angles. OLED display AYOLED technology works differently from LCD. EEC Edge Pixel produces its own light without requiring a backlight. FIS allows OLED displays to achieve excellent viewing angles, high contrast, and fast response. OLED is widely used in smartphones, wearable devices, and premium displays. How to improve viewing angle for LCD displays. Engineers can improve viewing angle through several methods. Firstly, selecting better panel technology, such as IPS SE-GOND, optimizing optical films and polarizer STIRD, using optical bonding to reduce reflections between display layers, thin or wide, selecting suitable cover glass treatments to improve visibility. How to choose the rig HTV viewing angle. The best viewing angle depends on the application. For personal devices, normal viewing angles may be enough. For industrial equipment, automotive systems, medical devices, and public displays, wide viewing angle performance is usually essential. A high-quality display is not only about resolution and brightness. Viewing angle is also a key factor that determines the final user experience. Understanding viewing angle helps engineers select the right display solution for every application. S is how we design better display systems.